We are all aware about mucormycosis or black fungus, which we have been speaking about in the past 2 months, ever since the second wave started. Now, over here, when it comes to detection of mucormycosis in South 24 Parganas of West Bengal, some 50 kilometers away from Kolkata, an indigenous company has built up an indigenous product, a kit rather, which will help in the early testing of mucormycosis. And this is the only and the first kit that can help in the testing of mucormycosis. Over here, we show you the kit. Can you show us the kit over here? What exactly this is and how does it look?
And this is the kit. The name is here GCC Biotech, and
This is made in India, completely
made in
indigenous.
India, the Diaxure Mycormycosis Trackman PCR kit. And here present the primer probe mix. Here the present primers, probes, and this is the WRT Trackman master mix. There are present some polymerases which help the PCR reaction.
So, but how, if madam, if you could simplify it, how would you put it into practice? Like, how would you use this?
Here we use this master mix and primer probe mix according to our total volume, the PCR mixture, and then we add our positive control as a positive control PC, and we use the sample which are suspected, those are positives or negatives.
Okay, but what is the use of this particular tray? Can you just show us?
This is a 96 well Biorad PCR plate, and we use the whole total plate for our reaction, and we use the
So this samples will be put in this tray, if I'm not wrong, right?
yes.
Okay. And then what happens to this tray?
Then we put all our master mix and add our samples and some negative control and positive control. Those are present in our kit. This is our negative control and this is our positive control, which are visualize our data that the samples are positive or negative.
What happens when you put the sample in this particular tray? What do you do with it? Do you put it in any machine over here in this one? Can you show us?
We can
So after putting the samples in this particular tray, this tray is put in this particular machine. And what happens over here?
this machine name is Biorad CFX Maestro, and this is our software, and
this is where the
where
test
we
will results will
select
come.
all the machines, and then we get start our run.
Okay, and this
After
is
90 minutes we show our
whether
results.
it is positive or negative. So it basically takes 90 minutes to understand
yes.
whether it is a positive result or a negative result. One more thing, if I'm not wrong, a test would cost something around 6,000 to 7,000 for mucormycosis in the country.
No, it is yeah.
Somewhat around that. And
yeah.
this will be comparatively cheaper, do you think?
Yes.
Okay. And you guys are the only organization who are making this in India?
Right now we are the only organization.
So right now, as she rightly pointed, that they are the only organization who are making this particular kit for the testing of mucormycosis, that is black fungus, which was prevalent and in news in the past couple of months due to the second wave of corona. This is a make in India process wherein indigenous products are being made over here for easy and swift and an economic testing of mucormycosis, maybe not only in the country but throughout the world, thanks to this particular product. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, West Bengal.